Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Celio on Checkra jailbreak devices through Odyssey Rain. Celio is the modern package manager that comes with the Odyssey jailbreak from the Coolstar. So I will show you how you can get this. As you know that Cydia comes with the Checkra jailbreak as a default package manager. So if you want to get the Celio as an alternate package manager on your Checkra jailbreak device, so this video is for you. So you can use this method. It's very simple to install. I will show you step by step full guide how to install this. And still, if you want to know more about Celio and the Odyssey jailbreak, you can watch my previous old videos. I will give links in the description, or you can check out from the I button for complete information. Celio is very fast and more responsive than Cydia, and it's a modern jailbreak package manager, and I personally like the UI of the Celio as compared to Cydia. So let's jump to the computer screen and start the process. Alright, first thing you will need is an ISO file for Odyssey Rain. So I will give links in the description. You can download it from there, or you can also download from my blog. So you will get two versions. One is for 32-bit PC for Intel AMD, and other is 64-bit, that is also for Intel AMD. So both processors are supported, so you can choose according to your PC configuration. First thing, you have to make a USB bootable. So you can use the Rufus tool, or you can use Balena Etcher, but sometimes Rufus tool gives error, so I recommend you to use the Balena Etcher. So just open it. You can download the Balena Etcher from the Google. It's free software to make the bootable USB. Now first click on Flash with File and select the ISO file. After that, insert your USB stick and select the USB flash drive. Now just click on Flash. Now it will start making your USB bootable, so it will take time around 2-3 minutes to complete. Now the bootable process is completed. Just close the Balena Etcher tool. After that, it's a very important step. If you are already jailbroken with the Checkra jailbreak and installed Cydia, then you have to restore your system and uninstall the Checkra jailbreak first to install the Celio on the device, so that the Cydia will completely removed from your system. So just click on the restore system, and then your device will be completely unjailbreak. And if you are in a device that don't have Checkra jailbreak and it's a normal device, so you can skip this step and move further to install the Celio. I repeat, this step is only for those who are already jailbroken and installed Cydia by Checkra jailbreak. So that first we have to remove the Checkra, so that all the dependency and the Cydia files are completely removed. Now just open your device and check your device is completely unjailbroken or not. As you can see, there is no Cydia and Checkra, that means my device is completely unjailbreak. Now the next step, you have to reboot your PC to boot that Odyssey Rain ISO file. Now just go to your BIOS menu or boot manager to boot your USB stick. Just select your USB name and it will boot. Now you will see the list of options, but we need only first and the second option. The first one is the Checkra jailbreak and the second one is Odyssey Rain for Celio installation. So the step one is you have to select the first option and hit on enter to jailbreak your device, and then you have to install the Odyssey Rain, and make sure that first you have unjailbroken your device and then re-jailbreak with Checkra. So just select the first option and hit on enter. It will load the Checkra 10.0.2, that is latest for now. Now you have to connect your device. Now as you can see, there is no jailbreak on my device, so just connect it. After that, just simply jailbreak your device. If it asking for trust, just hit on trust on device and just click on start. And if you are on the latest iOS, that is 13.7, you have to allow the first option from the Checkra app and then start. Otherwise it will show the unsupported device and iOS version. And if you are on 12.4.8, you can proceed normally. After that, just follow the steps on the Checkra app. You have to put your device into DFU mode, and the button combination to put your device into DFU mode are on the screen, so you can check according to your device. After that it will start jailbreak. If you got any error, you can try again, or you can follow up the Checkra fix video from the I button or the description link. Now just unlock your device and put the Wi-Fi on. Now you will see the Checkra loader on the screen. Now the important step, you have to just open the loader and close it back. You don't have to install Cydia or click on that. Just open the loader once and just go back. After that, quit the Checkra app. Now you will see the list again. Now you have to select the second option, that is Odyssey Rain, and hit on enter. After that, on the screen you will see some instruction to how to install Celio. Just follow that, just click on enter on the screen. Make sure that your device is connected with the cable, and it will start transferring the Celio package files on your device via SSH. After it gets complete, you will see the Celio on the home screen. As you can see, Celio is appeared now. Now you can use the Celio. Now just click on enter and it will quit the Odyssey Rain. Now the next step, you have to open Celio on the device. Just click on the Celio package manager. Now the next step, you have to update the packages. Just go to the package option and update all. Now you have to install one library. Just go to the search option and type the libhooker. Now just click on that. Just click on get and it will install. After that, just click on restart Springboard. Now we are almost done. Now the final step, you have to connect your device again and go to the Checkra first option. Just go to the first option and hit on enter, and Checkra will run again. You have to jailbreak again. Just simply normally jailbreak your device again and you are ready to use the Celio. Now it's done. Just disconnect the cable. After that, go to the Celio. Now it's completely ready to use. You can add any source repo and you can install tweaks for your jailbreak device. Now you can see the latest news for the other Odyssey jailbreak. So everything is installed. Let me just show the snowboard. Now you can install anything, and it's more fast and more responsive than Cydia. So you can check out the Celio package manager. You can also change the dark mode and the light mode theme. So just go to the options and you will see the theme. You can set as dark and light according to that. So as you can see, I preferred Celio better than Cydia because it has great UI. So you can check out the Celio. For more information, you can check out my previous video. I will give the links in the description and the I button also. And don't install the Cydia from the Checkra loader. If you don't like the Celio, just go to the Checkra app and restore system. It will remove the Checkra and Celio, and then you have to jailbreak it again and normally install Cydia like before. So that's all for today. I hope you gained some knowledge with this video. So just hit the like button. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.